no coffee, man.
No?
No. So the other place was not available anymore. I got this place for the same price. Yeah, it just has like this fan. Shower. Yeah, it should be okay. Should be okay. Yeah, I got a scooter, by the way. I filmed it. Yeah, for 2,000. So you can see the bridge down there. Like, yeah. I'm gonna go further. So there's a path here.
ошибемся, правильно?
Ну да.
So I decided just to walk to the peak, not take the scooter. But the road is pretty good so far. Yeah, still chill. So there is a sign like there before entering, mega zipline or something. And this looks sick. I wish I had my Sony camera. But the whole mountain looks very cool. It looks like Bali vibes. A little pool. Yeah, pool is nice. Flying human. Flying bird human. So looking for this place, I don't know, doesn't look like anything's here. Came to some kind of local place, very local. Yeah, coming back home. Coming back home. Grab some food, grab some water. Monkeys somewhere. Hey. Yeah, so one more time my room. Wonder does it have hot water? Probably not. Oh, it's a problem. Not a problem. Yeah, so the place had a way better view and the house was better, but it's all booked, so yeah. So I got my bed ready for the night. I don't know why they don't fix this, but yeah, it's like open. It's like there's no net for mosquitoes. So yeah, I'm ending this day. See you guys.